The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel offers insights into how our behaviors and perceptions shape our financial decisions. The book covers a range of topics that intertwine psychology, finance, and personal growth, emphasizing the importance of understanding one's own attitudes towards money to make better financial decisions. Here's a summary of key life lessons from the book. 1. Wealth is what you don't see. Wealth is not about the material possessions you display, but the assets you have that aren't visible. It's more about savings and investments than about extravagant spending. 2. Saving is freedom. The ability to save money gives you the freedom to make choices in the future. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about having the flexibility to enjoy life on your terms. 3. Less ego, more wealth. The desire to impress others with spending can hinder wealth accumulation. True financial success often comes from humility and patience, not from flaunting wealth. 4. Compounding. One of the most powerful forces in finance, compounding rewards patience and long-term thinking. Small, consistent investments over time can grow into significant sums. 5. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Acquiring wealth and maintaining it are two different skills. Staying wealthy requires prudence, risk management, and the ability to ignore the temptation to gamble on high-risk ventures. 6. Tails, you win. Much of financial success comes from a few key decisions. Sometimes it's the outliers or the rare big wins that make all the difference, emphasizing the P1 importance of being in the game and taking calculated risks. 7. Freedom. Money's greatest intrinsic value is its ability to give you control over your time. It allows you to pursue what you're passionate about on your own terms. 8. Man in the car paradox. If you see someone driving an expensive car, you shouldn't feel envious. Instead, recognize that they might be sacrificing more important aspects of their life, such as time or peace of mind, to afford that car. 9. Wealth is not just financial. Real wealth includes well-being, happiness, and peace of mind. Financial wealth is just one component of overall life satisfaction. 10. Save money. Not just for the sake of accumulation, but as a buffer against life's unpredictability, giving you options and flexibility when you need them most. 11. Reasonable greater than rational. It's better to be reasonable in your financial decisions, taking into account personal values and limitations, than to strive for cold, hard rationality that might not suit your life. 12. Surprise. The world is filled with uncertainties. Plan for surprises and be flexible enough to adapt when they inevitably occur. 13. Room for error. Always have a margin of safety in your financial plans. This buffer helps you survive the unforeseen and the mistakes. 14. You and me. Understand that your financial behavior is deeply personal and influenced by your unique experiences and perspectives. Don't compare your financial journey to others. 15. The seduction of pessimism. While pessimism sounds more intelligent and insightful, optimism is often more practical, especially in finance, where long-term growth trends prevail despite short-term turbulence. The Psychology of Money encourages readers to reflect on their financial behaviors and to cultivate a healthier, more thoughtful relationship with money. By internalizing these lessons, individuals can make more informed decisions that align with their personal goals and values.